senior officials of the FCT administration, the chairman of area councils of the FCT, particularly the one that has just been warned that we will not spend money from federal government and construct road, then you name it after your mother. So I think it's important for you to take note. He who pays the piper detects the tune. So if you wanted to name this road after just anybody, you should have consulted it. It is not what the federal government has finished, then you just find somebody, maybe a pan tapa in your village, and you come and name the road after the person. So, Minister, thank you for warning him on time. So let me say that I'm very delighted we are here to once again perform miracles on behalf of the FCT administration. This should be the 16th of the commissioning of projects that has never happened before in the Federal Capital Territory. We have about 31 days to go in this phase of commissioning. Mr. Project, congratulations. So we are here to access the road that had never been accessed. The full scope development of Akiumi Ajibola Street, covering important local streets 16, 18, and 19 in Gadowa district, is now complete and open for use. In this government, this is the voice of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, by the way. In this government, we measure ourselves by finished works. This street is one of those finished works. For years, families in Gadowa district built homes here in good faith, yet they had no motorable road to reach their homes. When the rains come, the place will become impassable. That is not all that now is history. That is not how a capital city should treat its citizens. Under the renewed hope agenda of my administration, we said clearly, we did not come to occupy space in Abuja. We came to work. Today, that promise is again visible on these streets that we are seeing. When the Honourable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Barrister Nigerianpolitics, Commander of the Order of the Niger, reviewed the files and saw the neglect of very important local streets, in addition to the area councils, in addition to the satellite towns that were also neglected, he did not issue any memo. He brought contractors back to site, gave clear directives, gave them clear targets, backed those targets with funding. And here, again, we are seeing the result. Under this administration, there is no excuse of no money. We pay on time, and we demand performance on time. The asphalt you see, the drainages that you witness, they will carry the water away, the rainwater, after every rain. And the street lights that will make nightlife safer are proof that we meant exactly what we said at the beginning of this governance. Minister Mgbeke, Mr. Project, let me put it on record. You have changed the culture of delivery in the Federal Capital Territory. You ended the era of mobilization without movement. You ended the era of abandoned inner roads, while major highways took all the attention. You are taking development from the city center into the districts and into the satellite towns. Street by street, so that no resident is left behind. That is leadership. You inspect, you correct, you finish. Honorable Minister, you have my confidence, you have my commendation, and the FCT has your results. Well done to you and to your entire team in the Federal Capital Territory. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, chieftains of political parties, especially the All Progressives Congress. The project we are commissioning today, this particular project, has done real work for the people. It improves urban mobility. It raises property values, by the way. It reduces vehicular damage and travel time. It returns dignity to the residents who should never have been forced to choose between owning a home and reaching the home. This is governance. Small projects, but big impacts. To the residents of Gadua, this street is now yours to protect. Do not dump refuse in the drains. Do not vandalize the street lights. Don't burn tires on the asphalt. And do not bring road furniture here to sell. Report damage early enough. A street built by government and maintained by its community becomes permanent and lasting. That is the partnership we are asking for. And that is the partnership we are yearning for. My fellow residents in the FCT, we will not stop here. Across the Federal Capital Territory, from the central area to the area councils, our task is fixed. Finish what matters, connect what was separated, and ensure that public funds show up as public value. Every district deserves access. Every citizen deserves to feel the impact of government wherever they live. Together, we can make this happen, and we are making it happen through the administration of the FCT today. It's not only rude for some people who argue. You are also undertaking water supplies across the FCT. You are also ensuring that drainages are carried out so that the roads can last. You are also ensuring that the streets are well lit so that the district will be beautiful. You are making sure that those who come to Abuja, particularly the visitors and outsiders, know that yes, indeed, this is the Federal Capital Territory. It is with gratitude to God Almighty that I now have the honor to officially commission the full-scope development of Akiumi Ajibola Street, covering the ILS 16, 18, and 19 in Gadua District, for mobility, for enterprise, and for the continued progress of the Federal Capital Territory and the Federal Republic of Nigeria. May God bless the FCT. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.